Frustrated by the Directmanipulation DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we begin the manual steps for direct manipulation, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Directmanipulation Library. It manages unmanaged hardware-accelerated processing for touch gestures, scrolling, and zooming within the Windows shell. It ensures fluid UI responsiveness by offloading gesture math to the GPU. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Directmanipulation.dll. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the direct manipulation file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of Directmanipulation.dll is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. One approach to reviewing direct manipulation references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Thank you for trusting us with direct manipulation repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.